Alright, this is a quick video for the iDash. It's going to be available for all iPad platforms, whether it's the iPad mini, the normal iPad, or your iPad Pro, whether it's a 9.7 inch screen or a 12.9 inch screen. Alright, so let's get started here. The devices you're going to need in order to operate this application to get the real-time information from the vehicle, like your miles per hour, your RPMs, your temperature information. It's going to be this OBD-II scan tool. And then to get the rear view camera connection with this video transmitter is a 903W video transmitter. I'll put the links in the description below on how to purchase these things here, but I'll give you a quick walkthrough on how the application is going to be on here. And basically on here, when you open up the application, actually, let me go ahead and stop it here real quick. Stop and restart it. How it's going to look on here. Alright. And there goes the iDash, and it's going to open up your map. Now you're going to be able to go on here and navigate wherever you want to go to. You can type that information in here. Now, since I don't have the iPad on me, it's not giving you my current location. This current location that's on here is showing in California, which is basically Apple's location, or somewhere nearby. So you have your, click on this here to get all your information on here on the application. Then you're going to go back here to your map, and then you have internet. So as long as you have a Wi-Fi connection, you have the internet here connected. And I'll go over that here shortly as part of this video when I connect my laptop here to my Wi-Fi on my phone here. And then of course you have your rear view camera. So on here it's telling you directly go to your settings on your iPad and connect the rear view camera after you have this connection made, and of course connected on the rear view of your vehicle, whether it's an RV, a truck, or a sedan or a coupe, either or. All right, and then we're going to go ahead and go back here. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and show you how the video connection is going to work. All right, so now we got the rear view camera working. All right, now we'll get into the World Wide Web section. Of course, you need to be connected to your Wi-Fi on your iPad in your vehicle in order for this to work. All right, so basically I have the Google web page come up. That way you can search for whatever you're looking for. So you could look at anything that's here on the screen. Look at images. Alright, go in there, go directly to the website. Alright, you can refresh the page, and you can also go back on your searches on here by using the buttons on the bottom left corner in order to go to your search or whatever you're looking for when you're using the World Wide Web. Alright, we're going to go ahead and drive OBD-II. Let's make sure it's connected before we start. Yep, there we go. We're connected to the OBD-II. We're going to start. There we go. All the information is updated. Let's go ahead and set this here. Alright, so we have the vehicle in drive, and we're going to go ahead and start driving. So you can see the data is showing on there.